Fiedler CNC technology combines precision manufacturing equipment with robotic machine tending to offer customers a reliable integrated solution that delivers high-quality products at speeds today's businesses require. The manufacturing cell combines Haas's UMC 750 5-axis vertical machining center and Fiedler CNC Technology's F16 robotic automation solution. This F16 solution consists of Yaskawa's 6-axis robot. There is a modular storage unit for 54 pallets, macro grip automation vise pallets and a modular storage unit, automatic pneumatic door and 0-point clamping system to position pallets in the CNC machine. The robot loads raw parts and unloads finished ones. Retractable 2-position loading area, a reliable safety system and multi-level service diagnostics are included as well. Tool change software enables manufacturing process changes to occur quickly. The operator loads the toolbox with up to 40 tools and then uploads technology data to CNC machine memory. The robot loads and unloads tools between the toolbox and the CNC machine. Machine tuning periods are significantly reduced and collisions from manual operations are eliminated. For more details, please visit www.fiedlercnc.cz.